Well, basically kung titingnan po natin medyo partially affected po ito ng ating medyo unstable political climate, no, as we could see months before the elections medyo marami tayong mga uh, hindi pangkaraniwan na mga pangyayari that shape the political landscape of the country, like yung impeachment, filing ng impeachment, and eventually yung pagdadala rito sa Senado, and then we also have the arrest of PRRT. So these things, I think, made it possible for some of our countrymen, to be a little bit dismayed and disillusioned with the electoral system and the electoral process.
Pero paano yun? Dismayado yung marami nating mga botante?
Yeah, in a way, because kung titignan natin, this I believe is also the reason kung bakit yung ticket ng ating alyansa, no? Kung titignan natin, 5 lamang yung nakapasok sa kanila, 5 lang din naman yung nakapasok doon sa Duterte camp, and then nagkaroon ng third force, which is the resurgence of the Liberal Party. Something that is unexpected, something that we thought hindi mangyayari, pero yun nga, it happened. And maybe the reason for this is because of the disillusionment of many of our countrymen dito sa bangayan na nangyayari between the two families. And so it allowed a third force to creep in and eventually snatch top positions, number 2 and number 5 dito sa ating bilangan.
So